Good evening. Thank you for joining me tonight. My name is Cherie Sims, and I'm going to be speaking for a few moments regarding quality methods in healthcare. The Quality Improvement Program involves all the procedural activities implemented and carried out in an organization to supervise, assess, and enhance the quality of healthcare services. The QI programs monitor the quality of care and services provided in different areas within a healthcare organization. The major goal of the Quality Improvement Program is to ensure sustained improvement in patient health outcomes. There are various reasons as to why an organization can decide to implement quality improvement programs. One of the main reasons include enhancement of the promotion of the quality of the products so as to maintain the clientele and attract more customers. The purpose of a QI program is to promote the effectiveness and efficiency of all activities done in various departments of a healthcare organization. After the healthcare has acquired new stakeholders, it will look for means to keep its clientele, and for that reason, it can embrace QI programs so as to increase customer satisfaction. The QI program enhances the quality of healthcare services offered by the provider and thus allows the organization to remain competitive. The second reason for the purpose of a QI program is to enhance the performance of delivering healthcare services and care to patients. Additionally, the QI program promotes efficiency of the managerial staff, such as the nurses, and the safety of the patients. Thus, the quality improvement programs are also associated with use of advanced technology and innovation which enhance the treatment procedures, such as the screening process and the health outcomes like the morbidity rates. The QI program not only focuses on the patients, but on other external and internal factors like staff, financing organizations, competition, and the government policies. Thirdly, the purpose of a QI program is to promote patient satisfaction. Firstly, implementation of the QI program in Shapiro Regional Hospital will help the organization to improve patient health outcomes and process outcomes. This healthcare facility offers some healthcare services like emergency service, intensive and surgical care, and these services require quality inputs to enhance their health outcomes. Therefore, through enhancement of quality in these sectors, there is a likelihood of realizing positive results on patient health, which includes better screening results and also decreased cases of morbidity and mortality. Secondly, the Quality Improvement Program involves use of modern technology which is more efficient and convenient. In that regard, an organization embracing the QI program is likely to enjoy efficiency in the managerial and clinical processes. Use of new technology helps to reduce management costs, and thus the organization will cut down its waste and expenditures associated with system failure and redundancy. This will also be essential in handling of emergency and intensive care services, which will require minimal and zero cases of system failure or breakdown. QI program is also cost-saving. Use of old-fashioned and inefficient means of production increases the occurrences of errors and thus leading to poor quality products. Similarly, implementation of a QI program in the Shapiro Regional Hospital will help to avoid the cost associated with process of failures, errors, and poor health outcomes. If the organization does not use non-standard and inefficient systems, this will contribute to increase in mistakes and possible rework. The Quality Improvement Program assures us of streamlined and reliable procedures which are less expensive to manage and maintain. So the pros of a QI program: improves patient health outcomes and process outcomes, which include morbidity rate and screening examinations, improved efficiency and effectiveness of the managerial and the clinical processes through enhancing staff and patient safety, and it is cost saving. The pros of the Quality Improvement Program. The Quality Improvement Program comprises of the proactive processes which embrace high levels of technology. This equips the QI program with the ability to recognize and tackle challenges before they occur. This helps to ensure the systems are safe and reliable for use. Moreover, the main reason for the culture of the continuous embracement of quality improvement in an organization is the commitment to solve and address the reported errors. Similarly, the QI program will help Shapiro Regional Hospital enhance the quality of its healthcare products and services by countering imminent challenges. Another advantage of the QI program includes improvement of integration of the external and internal health resources of the hospital. As the organization concentrates on improving the quality of its services to its clients, it will create a positive light to the surrounding, which will in return attract the community and other organizations. Moreover, the hospital will increase its chances to obtain external support to enhance more of its quality improvement infrastructure from funders like the government. Thus, a successful QI program will then increase the funding opportunities. Additionally, the internal healthcare resources like the managerial staff and the patients are going to benefit from the efficient QI programs, which will enhance their safety and health outcome. Implementation of the QI program can have a negative impact on the production process of an organization. For instance, in the case whereby the implementation of a QI program is likely to take place in all departments of the healthcare center. The implementation process also involves extensive training of employees, whereby they learn how to apply various techniques to solve problems and how to assess efficacy of the solution and the tools to use. Therefore, during training meetings, the workers will be taken away from their duties of learning. Also, there is a likelihood of facing employee resistance. Implementation of quality improvement program in healthcare will call for change in the methods of working as well as the mindset and attitude of the human resource. Hence, they must provide prior communication of the expected changes so as to alert the employees of the improvements. But if the management fails to communicate effectively, workers may fear the change and even resist to participate. Alternatively, it can lower employee morale and eventually their productivity and that of the hospital in the long run. Also, resistance can be experienced from higher management. For instance, in a situation whereby the implementation process is likely to take long periods, the administration may be afraid of the uncertainties which might be involved with the change. Thus, if they forecast a disruption of the productivity of the organization, they may resist the change. The effectiveness of the QI improvement program depends on the success of the implementation process. Thus, during implementation, the organization is likely to face a lot of challenges, including financial and non-financial setbacks. Therefore, it is necessary for the steering group of the program to solve the imminent problems to achieve their target. If they are left unresolved, they are likely to affect the program in the future. In that regard, before implementation of the Quality Improvement Program, it is crucial to conduct enough research and analysis to determine the possible challenges. Additionally, the Quality Improvement Program is not static. Hence, it is done continuously to ensure the organization keeps its clientele by producing quality and competitive healthcare products. In conclusion, if well implemented, a quality improvement program can help a hospital gain a larger clientele and other benefits like supporting from financing and community organizations as well as the government. Some of the setbacks of a QI program are likely to face the implementation stage include resistance from employees. It is also likely to affect the productivity of the healthcare organization, since involvement of the employee in the implementation process will make them shift from their duties. By weighing the benefits of this program against its negative effects of a healthcare organization, the QI program is important. It is well implemented.